Will removing bloatware restore responsiveness to your phone? Imagine your phone as a busy kitchen. When too many ingredients or tools are cluttering the space, cooking becomes slow and frustrating. The same goes for your device. Bloatware is like those extra utensils and ingredients you never use but still take up space. These are pre-installed apps from manufacturers or carriers that often run in the background. They eat up memory, processing power, and storage, which can slow down your phone's performance. Removing or disabling these apps can free up resources, making your phone respond faster. But how much of a difference will it really make? If you have an older or budget phone with limited RAM and storage, removing bloatware can lead to noticeable improvements. You might see faster app launches, smoother scrolling, and quicker reactions when you tap on things. On newer or high-end phones, the gains might be less obvious because they already have plenty of resources. Still, freeing up space can help your device run more efficiently overall. It's important to remember that Android phones manage memory automatically. When you uninstall or disable bloatware, the system may just replace those apps with other recently used ones until it fills the RAM again. So, the total memory used might not change much, but the specific apps occupying that space will be different. Also, some bloatware cannot be fully uninstalled due to restrictions from the manufacturer or carrier. In those cases, disabling the apps prevents them from running in the background, which helps reduce their impact on performance. Be cautious when removing apps, especially system-critical ones. Accidentally deleting important apps can cause instability or even prevent your phone from working properly. Also, keep in mind that bloatware often reappears after software updates, so you might need to repeat the removal process periodically. Overall, removing bloatware can improve your phone's responsiveness, but it's just one part of keeping your device running smoothly. It also helps extend battery life, frees up storage space for your files and apps, and reduces unnecessary data collection. So, while it might not turn your phone into a speed demon overnight, it definitely makes a positive difference in how your device responds to your commands.